Okay, welcome back to Between the Keys, where I teach you how to play music, and this is one of the US Top 40 from November. Today, November 7th, it's a big day. Joyride by Kesha, or Kesha, I guess Kesha, I'm not sure how you say it. This one is a fun one. This one surprised me. My face was like, are you a man? Because I'm a bitch. What? It starts on C and goes up to D flat, very unusual. Put it on Rhodes because just make it funky. I like electric piano. I'm locked in. Are you a man? Because I'm a bitch. C. Up to D flat on a bitch. Are you a man? Because I'm a bitch. I'm already rich. Just looking for that D flat to E flat. This party sucks. I'm about to ditch. Don't even try to give me shit. I've earned the right to be like this. Okay. Oh, you say you love me. That's funny. Well, so do I. So we C. You say you love me, D flat. Oh, that's funny. Back to C. So do I. I'm just looking for a joyride. Joyride. C. Looking for a good time tonight. Baby, I want you to. How does she sing this next part? The chorus. Rev my engine till you make it purr. Keep it kinky, but I come first. Beep, beep, bitch, I'm outside. Get in, loser, for the joyride. Making every motherfucker turn. Fell from heaven, no, it didn't hurt. Beep, beep, best night of your life. Get in, loser, for the joyride. E flat to D flat. So funny. For the joyride. What did she say there? Fell from heaven, no, it didn't hurt. Beep, beep, best night of your life. Get in, loser, for the joyride. Alright, post chorus. Joyride, joyride. C to D flat, and then E flat, D flat, C. Get in, loser, for the joyride. Keep your eyes on the road. We're in verse 2 now. Keep your eyes on the road. D flat. A label whore. Bleep, bleep it out. Where's my bleep button? But I'm bored of wearing clothes. You want kids? Well, I'm a mother. Don't try to give me shit. I've earned the right to be like this. Pre-chorus. I'm just looking for a joyride. C. Joyride. Looking for a good time tonight. Baby, I want you to rev my engine till you make it purr. Keep it out, come first. And beep, beep, bitch, beep, beep, I'm outside. Get in, loser, for the joyride. Yeah, C. Oh, this is making my ADHD rev. Where's the coffee? Somebody make a coffee. Oh, it's just me. Making every motherfucker turn. Fell from heaven, no, it didn't hurt. Beep, beep, best night of your life. Get in, loser, for the joyride. I need a coffee. Don't give me shit. Don't even, cause I'm a bitch. Don't give me shit. I'm a bitch. I'm a bitch. Don't give me shit. Don't, cause I'm a bitch. Don't give me shit. I'm a bitch. I'm a bitch. Alrighty, outro. Joy. Get in, loser, for the joyride. Interesting. Upper semitone, D flat, C to D flat. Don't see that very often. Really, really interesting. I liked it. I like this one. Okay, this one was Joyride by Kesha. If you like the video, please click like and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm going to teach some John, what's he called? Where is he? John Mayer. I'm going to teach some John Mayer. Gravity, New Light, Slow Dancing in a Burning Room, Waiting on the World to Change, Better Days. All his top songs. ABC, yep, done that one. That's Jackson 5. Okay, I talked to Michael Jackson recently. Going to do some Al Green as well. Elton John, ABBA, Queen, many more. But the next one is actually from the US Top 40 as well. It's I'm His, He's Mine by Katy Perry. Interesting. So I'm going to tick this one off. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. I said that already. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao for now.